Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect Klaviyo to Webflow. Let's get started. First, go to klaviyo.com and log in your account. In your dashboard on the left panel, click on Sign Up Forms, and in here, click on Create Form at the top right corner. This will lead you to a new tab where you will customize and design the form according to your preference using the tools and elements on the left panel. Once you're done customizing, click on Publish here at the top right corner. Once your form was successfully published, an embed code will appear which you can use to embed this form in your preferred website. Click on Copy right here to copy this code. Then go to webflow.com and log in your account. In Webflow, open the site where you want to add the sign-up form by clicking on Open Site right here, and you will be led to this new tab. In here on the left panel, look for the plus icon and look for the Embed block option right here. Inside the block, just paste the Klaviyo code you copied earlier. Then click on Publish here on the top right corner so you can save your changes and your audience may now see your new form. And that is how you can connect Klaviyo to Webflow. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.